The following is an excerpt from the 2023-2024 budget presentation by Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness.
Madam Speaker, in 2017 we announced the Morant Bay Urban Centre. Though we were set back by the pandemic, the construction phase of the project got underway in April 2022 with the start of preparatory works. Full construction has now begun and the spaces dedicated to some of the major anchor clients are already being developed. Among the entities that will take spaces in the town centre are the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, the Ministry of Justice, the St. Thomas Parish Court, and all other government entities located in Morant Bay, several private sector companies, including banks and BPOs and quick services business. The old Goodyear factory, which has been idle for decades, is now being transformed into the new hub of economic and social activity for the parish of St. Thomas. The development will employ over 3,000 persons and bring modern services and facilities to the people of St. Thomas. I have directed the Chase Fund to start the process of building a museum in what will now be, after this is constructed, the old town of Morant Bay. That museum is to capture and properly document the history of the Morant Bay Rebellion and its defining impact on modern Jamaica. So we're not just trying to develop a modern town centre and leave Morant Bay to die. No, the idea is that we will develop Morant Bay, preserve its historical buildings, put in a museum, and start to use it now for tourism, not just tourism for cruise ships, but to get our school children to take trips to go there. That process will start early in the next fiscal year. Boundbrook Urban Centre in Port Antonio follows the model of the Morant Bay Urban Centre. The architectural designs for the project is complete and it is going through the approvals and permitting process. 126,000 square feet of rentable space will be constructed. Already, 54% of the space has been reserved. We have asked the Factories Corporation to also look at Negril. Negril is one of our premier tourist destinations, and it is in need of a comprehensive plan to realize its potential. Within the upcoming fiscal year, we will present a comprehensive development plan, which will include an international airport, a public beach park, a craft village, and with the help of the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, a restored Royal Palm Reserve. Negril is without any major commercial, industrial, or civic complexes. I have tasked the FCJ with developing an urban centre for the town similar to Morant Bay and Boundbrook. The FCJ has identified land strategically located in the town centre, and we have started consultations with the relevant stakeholders regarding its use.